Hey everyone, are you ready to dive into the world of programming? Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to install the latest Python on your Windows 11. So let's get started and unlock your coding potential. So at first, we need to go python.org python.org, and this is the Python official website. You can see now we have to download Python first. So here you can see the download over there, and just click on this Python 3.13.5, and this is the latest Python version ever. So click on it and you can see the download is started, and this file is very small. Just open this file, and here you can see this is the installing window. We are gonna tick these things and click on customize installation for seeing what we installed in this software. Here you can see the documentation PIP, and this is the IDLE, the programmer. So click on next, and we have to check this mark. Click on it, and here you can see the customize install location. In this drive, you can see the Python installation location. So click on install, click on yes, and it will automatically installed. Now here you can see our setup was successfully installed, and just click on close, and we have to check this it work or not. I mean, we have to check this because sometimes Python was not installed perfectly or correctly in Windows. So we have to check it first, our Python version. So type cmd and write python hyphen version. Now you can see the error because you can see I wrote this in upper language. We have to select the lowercase. Now let's write again python space hyphen version. Now you can see this is the Python version, which is 3.13.5. You can see the version over there. So we are successfully installed the latest Python on our Windows 11. Now let's search IDLE and hit enter. Okay, just let's run our simple coding. That's why we will command to print something. Just type print bracket multi hyphen and hit enter. Now you can see our command is successfully running. You can see this is the basic command we have using for printing something. You can see our code is already running successfully, and we can also save this on Python files. Just I will show you the thing. print demo. Okay, you can see the print demo over there. So click on it and it's run successfully. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much.